This conference will now be recorded.
All right, good morning. I'm going to make a quick video on how to do the trade setups with TradingView. Right here, we have a basic crude oil chart that does not have any indicators on it at all. Right now, you've already had your indicators enabled, so you're just going to go here to indicators. Go to invite only scripts. Right here on TIQ Slingshot, click that one time. You'll see the slingshot shows up at the bottom. TIQ sidebar, click that one time. And you see the sidebar shows up here on chart. Now, you're going to want to get rid of a couple things on here for the trade setup using just the ribbon. All right, for the trade setup just using just the ribbon, go in here to settings over here on your sidebar. Choose that. It's going to be up settings. Uncheck that, and that. Leave the rest as is. There you go. Now, the ribbon here is going to look a little different than the one that's in the room right now. In here, the ribbon has blue and red right up here on price for the BBC color. All right, that is the BBC. Now, underneath it, you see there's a yellow, white, and black line. When those lines, they represent the ribbon. When you can see all those lines and price pulls back with the right color bar to the right color BBC, you want to enter on the up close of that bar. Right. So for instance, right here, a blue bar pulled back to a blue BBC when you could see all the lines in the ribbon. So you enter on the up close of this bar. Right here, a blue bar pulled back. Well, either one of these really. You don't need the slingshot for these. Okay. Where it's the right color bar and the right color ribbon. Right here, it pulled back, hit the BBC. The BBC was blue. Bar was blue. You can take that right here. Same thing. You can take that. Now this is crude oil. Each one of these bars represents 7 ticks in price. All right. So like right here, your up close is 1108, and that ran up. Well, it ran all the way up here to 1121 for 13 ticks. So that's $130 a contract right there. And you can see this one was red. If you don't have the right color, but you can still see the full ribbon, then you just have to draw a trend line. Okay, you draw a trend line like that, and the cycle has to be right. For a long trade, you want the cycle to be above the green line like this and not be going against you. Not be going against you at 45 degrees or greater. Okay, so right in here, this up close on or above this trend line, when you have bullish separation in the slingshot, and you can see the whole ribbon is good. Okay, you can take that. You can do it again right here. Now this trade right here was 111.12 up to 111.28. All right, so that is $160 a contract right there. Right here, same thing, 111.19. That ran all the way up to, I can even see 47. That's almost $300 a contract right there. Okay, that's how you do that part of the trade. For shorts, you would just want a red bar to pull up to a red ribbon. Okay, and you got to see all the ribbon, like right in here where it crunches up. That means it's going to be choppy and you want to stay out of that. All right, right here, you can see all the lines in the ribbon, a red bar pulled up to a red ribbon. You don't need the slingshot for this because it's the right color bar, the right color ribbon, and you can see all the lines. So your down close is right here. 29 you would have shorted, and it went all the way down to 12. So that is 29 minus 12, 17 ticks. That's $170 contract. Where does your stop have to be, you ask? In here, your stop would be above the bar that got you into the trade. All right, these are 7 tick range bars right here. So your stop would be probably 9 or 10 ticks. See, most of the time when it pulls back and hits the BBC, the bar that got you into the trade does not get exceeded on a pullback. Right? If it does get exceeded on a pullback, it's usually going to stop you out anyway. But right here, for instance, there's another one. This one went from the entry point would have been here at 34, and that dropped down to 25 for $90 a contract. Right? That's really all there is to the trade setup. If you don't hit the BBC, but you do have the ribbon, you draw the trend line, you use the slingshot. If you do hit the BBC and it's the right color, then you don't need the trend line or the slingshot. Okay, that's it. That's the whole trade setup right there.